First up is the Corsair Vengeance K95 RGB Platinum. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a command center. Corsair has equipped the K95 with Cherry MX Speed RGB silver switches, known for their rapid actuation and durability. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame promises resilience in the most intense gaming sessions. The standout feature: its customizable RGB lighting and a set of macro keys lined on the left, each one programmable for complex in-game sequences or workflows. With an onboard memory, you can save profiles directly to the keyboard, making it ready to perform on any system. On the downside, its size and premium build make it a costly and bulky addition to your gaming setup.